Greetings, fellow seekers of health and well-being. Welcome back to Health Hacks. Today we're about to embark on an enlightening journey into the realm of clove water benefits at night. Picture this, a centuries-old remedy, steeped in tradition and brimming with potential to transform your nighttime routine. Have you ever wondered why clove water has gained a reputation as a magical elixir, particularly when consumed before slipping into slumber? Well, today, we're going to unlock the secrets behind this age-old practice and explore the plethora of benefits it brings to your health and wellness during those precious nighttime hours. But before we dive deep into this fascinating subject, if you haven't already, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. This way, you'll stay connected with all our captivating content, designed to empower you on your journey to optimal well-being. Now, without further ado, let's unveil the remarkable benefits of clove water when incorporated into your nighttime rituals. To truly appreciate the significance of clove water, let's take a stroll through history. Cloves, the aromatic dried flower buds of the clove tree, have been cherished for centuries for their medicinal properties. These tiny powerhouses of goodness have been utilized across cultures for their potential to heal and nourish the body. Now, as we venture into the realm of clove water benefits at night, you're about to discover how this time-honored tradition can enhance your modern lifestyle. Number 1. The Digestive Dynamo. Our journey begins with the digestive wonders of clove water. Imagine sipping on a concoction that kickstarts your digestive enzymes, paving the way for smoother digestion and alleviating that occasional post-dinner discomfort. Clove water's potential to soothe your digestive system might just be the solution you've been seeking. Number 2. The Inflammation Buster. Next on our exploration, we delve into clove water's anti-inflammatory prowess. Enriched with compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties, this elixir could be your nighttime ally in taming inflammation, making way for a more serene night's rest. Number 3. Antioxidants. Antioxidants, the knights in shining armor of your body's defense system. Clove water is an antioxidant-rich elixir that combats oxidative stress, contributing to your body's rejuvenation while you sleep. Think of it as a nightly ritual of renewal. Number 4. Liver love and detoxification. Your liver, the unsung hero of detoxification, deserves a little extra love. Clove water, with its arsenal of antioxidants, may play a role in supporting your liver's detoxifying functions. As you rest, this elixir works silently to optimize your body's cleansing mechanisms. Number 5. Blood sugar symphony. For those who keep an eye on blood sugar levels, clove water could be a game changer. Emerging research suggests that the compounds within cloves might contribute to regulating blood sugar levels, maintaining stability throughout the night. Number 6. A breath of fresh air. Breathing easy is a luxury often overlooked. Clove water's aromatic compounds could provide a breath of fresh air, supporting your respiratory health and promoting unobstructed, comfortable breathing as you drift into dreamland. Number 7. Bone health. Strong bones provide the foundation for a healthy life. The minerals within clove water may contribute to your skeletal strength, working harmoniously with your body to nurture your bones while you rest. Number 8. Dental health. Dental health enthusiasts, rejoice! Clove water's natural antimicrobial properties might just become your nighttime secret for maintaining a bright and healthy smile. Sip away and let the elixir work its magic. Number 9. Cardiovascular health. Your heart, the rhythmic drummer of life, deserves special attention. Clove water's potential to support cardiovascular health by maintaining blood pressure levels could transform your nightly rituals into heartwarming moments of self-care. Number 10. Improved sleep quality. Imagine a night of deep, restorative sleep, a dream come true, right? Clove water's calming effects might just be your ticket to a peaceful slumber, allowing you to wake up refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Number 11. Antibacterial properties. Our bodies are battlegrounds against bacteria, especially as we rest. Clove water, armed with its natural antibacterial properties, could become your shield, aiding your immune system in its nighttime mission. Number 12. Weight management. For those on a weight management journey, Clove water's potential to regulate blood sugar levels and improve digestion might be just what you're seeking. Aiding in maintaining a healthy weight could be as simple as a nightly sip. Number 13. Skin health. Radiant skin is a reflection of inner health. Clove water's antioxidant content may contribute to a glowing complexion, adding an extra layer of beauty to your nightly routine. Number 14. Potential cancer protection. While research is ongoing, preliminary studies hint at clove water's potential in the fight against cancer. The compounds within cloves could be your silent guardians against the shadows of this formidable adversary. Number 15. Addressing erectile dysfunction. Gentlemen, this one's for you. Clove water's influence on blood flow and circulation might offer support in addressing erectile dysfunction, giving you one more reason to embrace this nighttime elixir. And there you have it, a remarkable exploration of the myriad benefits of clove water at night. From its digestive wonders and anti-inflammatory magic to its potential for enhancing sleep quality and guarding against health shadows, clove water holds the promise of transformation. Remember though, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your routine. If this journey through the world of clove water resonated with you, don't hesitate to show your appreciation with a thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of our Health Hacks family, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you never miss an illuminating episode. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you tried clove water at night?